Again, Kentucky is now up to 6 positive cases, and folks, we're going to have more. That doesn't mean we're not ready. We are.
In the latest of news conferences, Governor Andy Beshear adds 2 more cases to the list of positive coronavirus tests. Another in Harrison County, bringing the total to 3, and another in Fayette County, bringing the total to 2. The governor today calling for a closed-door meeting with lawmakers. He says it was a time for education.
We just wanted legislators to be able to ask any question that was on their mind and to have an open dialogue, but there were no recommendations, no requests of them. There were no additional requests of us.
The governor says Kentuckians will soon have new information about the active 6 cases, including age and gender. All as Capitol staff begin new cleaning protocols themselves, a place that has been no stranger to tours and lots of people.
And I notice so many families, it's scary. We're going to be okay. Just listen to the important steps, follow them, and we will get through this together.
In Frankfort, Nick Oliver, WKYT.
Bill and Barb, the governor telling us today that he expects that number 4 to increase to more confirmed cases in Kentucky. And while Kentucky may have more confirmed cases than other states, the governor says that should not alarm people that there is a big outbreak here. He says they are simply more aggressive in their response in getting more confirmed cases. Now, 2 cases, again, are in Harrison County. Now, one is from Lexington, the other in Louisville, and they're all in isolation. Now, we do know that the first Harrison County person is at UK Med Center. Officials not releasing a lot of other specific details about them. The Louisville person is at the Norton Brownsville Hospital. The governor did say that the first Harrison County person was a Walmart employee.
The Harrison County very first patient is improving. We're very glad to report that. We can also today disclose that the 2 patients from Harrison County are linked, though we can't provide details on that linkage at this time.
The governor is also telling us today that while we don't know which specific one of these cases is a travel case, likely meaning this person may have received it while traveling overseas. The other 3 likely receiving it from person-to-person contact. And, of course, the governor telling us that is very common across many of the other cases across the United States. Live at the state capitol, Frankfort, Phil Pendleton, WKYT. Well, Bill and Barb, the governor says the numbers have not changed since yesterday, but the governor does expect the numbers to increase. Now, not to alarm people, he says it's not because Kentucky has it worse off than other states. He simply says he believes Kentucky has been a lot more aggressive in its response to this. Now, 2 of the cases, again, are in Harrison County. The first case is of a person who worked at Walmart. The governor said one of the 4 was a travel case. The others likely received it person to person. Not much is known about the other people other than the second case is also from Harrison County, and the other 2 are in Lexington and Louisville. Governor Beshear says all are in isolation. The first case is improving. Not much else was revealed about the specific people who have the virus.
Right now, it's so early. We can't talk about where they are, and there's limited information under HIPAA and others that we can provide. But everybody is in isolation. Everybody is getting care, and we're really glad to see that the first individual is improving.
The governor also says he has signed an executive order for the 400,000 people on the state health insurance portal, and that will mean that their co-pays will be waived. And as far as the testing, that is for the testing and the treatment of COVID-19. Live at the state capitol in Frankfort, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.
And